5 most beautiful water fresh fishes to keep at home. Number 1. Discus fish. Bright colors and patterns. Discus are popular as freshwater aquarium fish, and their aquaculture in several countries in Asia is a major industry. They are sometimes referred to as pompadour fish, like cichlids from the genus Chlorophyllum and gellfish. All Symphysian species have a laterally compressed body shape, in contrast to Chlorophyllum. However, extended finnage is absent, giving Symphysian a more rounded shape. It is this body shape from which their common name, discus, is derived. The sides of the fish are frequently patterned in shades of green, red, brown, and blue. Some of the more brightly marked variants are the result of selective breeding by aquarists and do not exist in the wild. Discus are kept by fish keepers in the home aquarium, where they are valued for their striking appearance. They are considered difficult to keep due to strict requirements for water quality and the need to be kept in groups. Breeders have selected for individuals with more adaptability to tap water conditions. Each year, the World Discus Competition takes place in Guangzhou, China. The North American Discus Association focuses on both supporting hobbyists and helping to support wild discus. Number 2. German Blue Ram. The blue ram, Microcephalus ram-merzi, is a species of freshwater fish endemic to the Orinoco River Basin in the savannas of Venezuela and Colombia in South America. The species has been examined in studies on fish behavior and is a popular aquarium fish, traded under a variety of common names, including ram, blue ram, German blue ram, Asian ram, butterfly cichlid, ram-merzi dwarf cichlid, dwarf butterfly cichlid, and ram-merzi. The species is a member of the family Cichlidae and subfamily Gephagonae. Wild ram cichlids are often more colorful than the tank-bred fish, which suffer from poor breeding and also being injected with hormones for more color. Although this makes as many as 1 in 4 males infertile. Male specimens of the ram usually have the first few rays of the dorsal fin extended, but breeding has made some female also show this. When close to spawning, female rams have a pink or red blush on the abdomen. Females also have a blue sheen over the spot just below the dorsal fin, or a sparse scattering of blue scales in the upper half of the dark spot, and males do not show this. Number 3. Betta fish. Betta is a large genus of small, often colorful, freshwater ray fin fishes, known as bettas, in the Gourami family Asperonidae. The best known betta species is B. splendens, commonly known as the seamus fighting fish. All the betta species are small fishes, but they vary considerably in size, ranging from under 2.5 kg total length in B. Chanoids to 14 kg are betta. Bettas are anabentoids, which means they can breathe the atmospheric air using a unique organ called the labyrinth. This accounts for their ability to thrive in low oxygen water conditions that would kill most other fish, such as rice paddies, slow-moving streams, drainage ditches, and large puddles. The bettas exhibit 2 kinds of spawning behavior. Some build bubble nests, such as B. splendens, while others are mouth brooders, such as B. picta. The mouth-brooding species are sometimes called pseudobettas and are sometimes speculated to have evolved from the nest builders in adaptation to their fast-moving stream habitats. A phylogenetic study published in 204 concluded tentatively that bubble nesting was the ancestral condition in betta, and that mouth-brooding has evolved on more than one occasion in the history of the genus. However, it was unable to establish a correlation with any of 3 habitat variables studied: whether a species was found in lowland or highland streams, whether it was found in peat swamp forests, and whether it was found in water with fast or slow currents. Mouth-brooding species tend to exhibit less sexual dimorphism, perhaps because they do not need to defend the territory as the bubble nesters do. Seamus fighting fish splendens are frequently sold in the United States simply as bettas. In fact, as of 2017, around 73 species are classified within the genus Betta. The useful distinction is that while the generic name Betta is italicized and capitalized, when used as a common name it is usually neither italicized nor capitalized. The common name of B. pugnax, for example, is thus renamed Betta. Number 4. Neon tetrafish. The neon tetraparachium is a freshwater fish of the Characian family Characidae, the water chariciforms. The type species of its genus. It is native to blackwater and clear water streams in the Amazon basin of South America. Its bright coloring makes the fish visible to conspicuous in the dark blackwater streams, and is also the main reason for its popularity among freshwater fish hobbyists. The neon tetra has a light blue back over a silver-white element. The fish is characterized by an iridescent blue horizontal stripe along each side of the fish from its nose to the base of the adipose fin, and an iridescent red stripe that begins at the middle of the body and extends posteriorly to the base of the caudal fin. The fish is partially transparent, including fins except for these markings. Sexual dimorphism is slight, with the female having a slightly larger belly and a bent iridescent stripe rather than the male's straight stripe. During the night, the blue and red become gray or black as the fish rests. It reactivates once it becomes active in the morning. It grows to approximately 1.5 in overall length. Number 5. Chana fish.
Kembali lagi di Vice Channel. Bicara tentang ikan hias predator yang dikenal dengan agresif, buas, dan keganasanya, terlebih dengan jenis ikan predator yang satu ini, yaitu ikan snakehead atau sangat dikenal dengan nama ikan gabus. Ikan gabus atau Chana snakehead memiliki varian atau banyak jenis, namun ada beberapa jenis ikan gabus yang sangat diminati, bahkan sangat populer di Indonesia maupun di dunia. Nah, berikut adalah 5 jenis ikan Chana snakehead paling diminati dan terpopuler.
Particularly high richness of species exists in Myanmar, Burma, and northeastern India, and many Chana species
marulioides. Pecinta ikan snakehead tentunya tidak asing pada ikan snakehead yang satu. Pasaran ikan snakehead ini sangat jarang sekali terlihat. Maka dari itu ikan Chana argus menjadi incaran para pecinta snakehead karena susah ditemui. Sama halnya dengan jenis ikan Chana lainnya, ikan Chana argus memiliki sifat yang sangat agresif dan terlihat ganas ketika melahap mangsanya. Ikan Chana argus berasal dari perairan Cina Timur. Chana auranti maculata. Yang berikutnya adalah Chana auranti maculata atau biasa disebut dengan Chana auranti. Pada saat ini Chana auranti sangat populer sekali di Indonesia, khususnya di kalangan pecinta ikan snakehead. Chana auranti memiliki ciri yang sangat unik dan eksotis, yaitu terdapat spot orange dan dipadu dengan warna hitam kebiruan di tubuhnya. Selain itu, Chana auranti memiliki sirip dan ekor yang megah layaknya naga, sehingga ikan Chana auranti terlihat sangat mewah ketika melemparkan siripnya. Dengan segala spesifikasi yang dimilikinya, ikan Chana auranti dibilang sangat mirip dengan ikan Chana super mahal, yaitu Chana barca. Ikan Chana auranti berasal dari perairan Sungai Brahmaputra, India. Ikan Chana barca. Seperti yang sudah disebutkan sebelumnya, ikan Chana barca adalah ikan jenis Chana termahal, bahkan disebut sebagai salah satu ikan hias termahal di dunia. Dengan harga yang sangat fantastis, ikan Chana barca menjadi perbincangan hangat di kalangan pecinta ikan hias, dan ikan ini menjadi sangat populer. Ikan Chana barca adalah spesies yang sangat langka karena habitat aslinya berada di daerah rawan konflik, maka dari itu harga yang ditawarkan sangat fantastis. Selain itu, ikan Chana barca memiliki spesifikasi tubuh yang sangat elegan dan mewah, memiliki sirip dan ekor yang lebar, serta warna tubuh biru kehijauan. Nah, itulah 5 jenis ikan cana snakehead paling diminati dan terpopuler. Gimana guys, kalian pilih yang mana nih? Nah, baiklah itu saja video bahas channel kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat. Sekian dan terima kasih.